In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your Canon Pixma TR8622a printer. So switch on the printer and lift this section from this side. It will hold itself. Wait for the ink cartridges to move and come into the middle. So ink cartridges are here. It's very easy to take them out. So press this button and take it out. Just repeat it for all ink cartridges. You can also take them all together. Now take your new ink cartridge, match the number and alphabets. So make sure the lock is facing this side, from where you can just close it. So it's very easy to install, like this. Do it for all ink cartridges. So that's our black ink cartridge, so it's big in size, and that's the last ink cartridge. Press the door down. Wait for the system to start and it will display all the information on the screen. So ink cartridges are installed successfully. Now we can start using this printer. So click OK button.